Hi everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. The videos that will be coming and you'll be seeing are mock tests from various people, from my own learners to the general public. Anyone out there who would like a mock test, please get in touch. Mainly from the Brentwood Test Centre, but we are going to expand and do other test routes or test centres, should we say. You're going to see an insight into driving lessons from beginners to people halfway through their learning process and people who are near test standard. So yeah, it's going to be good fun. We're going to have some characters, and you can see what it's like in the world of a driving instructor. Any questions, please feel free to send me an email, Facebook, or on my mobile, WhatsApp, and I'll be happy to reply. But yeah, please subscribe, share, and we will get the content out to you guys. But yeah, so remember, Jamie's Driving School will be on YouTube. So thank you very much for listening and keep watching.